Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can change the style of your navigation bar. Navigation bar is an important aspect of your website as it appears on the top. So in order to change it, we need to go to design and then click on site styles. Here you need to click on fonts if you want to change the font of your navigation bar and then scroll down to assign styles. Here you need to go to site navigation and then click custom. So here you can change the letter spacing between your navigation bar. As you can see in the preview, it's changing live. You can change the height of your line. You can change the size of your navigation bar. You can access all of the functions here. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.